intention for today is to share the process of understanding where our physical body comes from and how it's connected to our non-physical self. And I have been working with this idea for many, many years, over 20 years. And we've created a number of amazing things with Alexandra in relationship to understanding how the spirit and physical body is connected. And when I joined Intentional Creativity Movement with Maestra Shaila Sofia MacLeod, I have been introduced to a way of creating thoughts on the canvas. And today I'd like to share this process of my thinking of how the spirit and matter connect using the method of intentional creativity, which is creating your thoughts with intention to share your thoughts and create the energy that inspires others to think beyond the box and expand beyond the usual. So I'm wearing my fly, and for me fly represents the present moment, because if the fly is buzzing around your nose, you cannot concentrate on anything but the fly. So I'm calling my awareness in this present moment, and I allow my thoughts to be on the fly, and I allow to be in the present moment of what's happening. I also brought my skull. This is the representation of the human physical body in which consciousness finds the place, finds the nest, and the words are being created. And as we create our words, we create our reality. Because for the body, whatever's happening here creates a response, a physical response, whether it's true or not. I also set up my altar with this little representation of our human experience, carrying things around that sometimes are old and unnecessary. So today we'll talk about it a little bit. And then I have one more piece that I love, which is the sparkle of the soul. And it's yellow because it's a solar plex where the soul resides, the throne of the soul. And with that, I want to remind us that the spark is alive, even if it's dimmed a little bit. So my intention is to have as much sparkle in our life as possible and bring the sunshine in all the dark corners of our awareness, so the awareness can be illuminated and therefore expanded and go to places where we sometimes are scared to go. So here is our flashlight, the soul spark.